Hey awesome learners, welcome. In this part we are going to create our portfolio application. So in the last consecutive part we have covered the basic concept of Django basics. Okay, so in this part we are just going to jump to our project. For that, let me just pull my command prompt. Okay, this is my command prompt where I'm writing. Let me make it bigger. So for creating a app, we have created another app called Hello World. Similarly, we are going to create our portfolio app. For that, I am going to write Python manage.py space startup. What app we are going to start? My app name will be my portfolio. You can give anything, but I am going to my portfolio. Okay. Now this app is going to create. Okay, let me just open my Sublime text, and inside hello world let me look here. This is the project directory. Inside project directory there is the main app directory. Another directory we have created hello world directory. Then we have now created my portfolio directory, my portfolio app. Okay, so mainly our app is having three main apps. First one is the project app. The both another two are hello world and my portfolio. So after creating a app, the first work of ours is to install that app to the project. Okay, for that we are going to just open Django basics app. Inside that settings.py, in installed apps list I am going to register my install my app at my portfolio. Okay, comma. Okay, so I am folio. Okay, sorry, spelling error. My so I have installed my application. After installing the application, the second part will be to give a route for that application. Okay, so when the project is going to call that application, for that I am going to open the urls.py of Django basics. Okay, the main urls.py. Now I am just going to copy this path and paste it below. Okay, so we have planned that we will create our portfolio app as our default app. For default app we don't have to put any string, any name. We only have to use a empty string. Okay, if any empty string, that is the home page, that is no request, the only server link will come, then it will redirect it to my portfolio underscore my portfolio.urls. Okay, so we have just created a app name my portfolio, register it inside settings.py, given a route in urls.py. This route is the default route, so this app will be the default app for our project. Okay, so now to handle any route inside a app, we are going to use another url.py. It is including another urls.py, that will be my portfolio urls. So let me just expand my portfolio. Inside my portfolio you can see that there is no urls.py, so no worry, just create a file named as save it as control s. I have it urls.py. Okay, fine, I have created a urls.py. So let me just copy the lines from the hello world urls.py and paste it to here. Okay, so here also the app's default url will be the home page. So we are just going to handle the default url for the app, and this url will be views dot home will be our view, and the name will be home page. Okay, now we have created our view function, and our view function is sorry, we have routed our view function. Let me just create a view function inside my portfolio. Okay, so I'm just going to expand my portfolio. Inside views.py I am going to create my views over here. So I am going to define a function named home, because I have routed home function, and this function is going to take a sorry request as the parameter, and this will return a render template which request. This is the first parameter. The second one will be the template name, that will be about .html. Okay, so this home function will render for a template named about.html, and about.html will be our main file. Okay, so we have created our home page. So now just let me create the about.html page. We have created the view, and now we are going to create the template. For that, let me just on the last part on Django basics, we have covered that every template are going to store inside the templates folder of a app. So first we are going to create a new folder named templates. Okay, inside templates, let me open templates. Okay, inside templates we are going to create a new file name, save it as about.html, about.html. Okay, so we have created about.html. So here we are just going to write a simple HTML page. So here the title will be home page, and inside the body we are going to write the h2 tag. Inside h2 tag we are going to write welcome to home page. Okay, we are just going to test how if it is running or not. Okay, so we have created a application and we have routed it, and now next we have created the view function, next we have created the template. Now we are going to save all, control S, and in views.py control S, and urls.py save, and this main urls.py save. Okay, so now I am going to run the server. For running the server, python manage dot sorry dot py run server. Okay, I'm just going to run the server, and I will copy this link, sorry, copy, and I am going to open it in here. Okay, so welcome to homepage, and this homepage is the homepage of my portfolio. Okay, that's all what we have done. We have just created a portfolio application and we have successfully routed this. On the next parts we are going to create the main projects. Okay, so thank you for watching.